So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing messenger could not send messages or photos or videos, so guys you can watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys you can watch this video till end. For the solution, firstly you can open your phone settings. After opening settings, you have to go to the apps section. Yes guys, you have to go to the apps section. After click on the apps button, you have to go to the manage apps option. Yes guys, after click on manage apps, you have to go with the search bar, and after click on search bar, here you are searching for messenger, and after click on messenger, you have to click on clear all data button. Before click on clear all data button, you have to remember your ID and password of your Facebook Messenger, and if you guys remember your ID and password, you can go with clear all data and press the OK button. After click on OK button, your messenger application has been refreshed and you have to go to the messenger application and try to log in. If the problem is solved by this method, it is okay, but if the problem is not solving with this method, so guys you have to wait for some minute or an hour, because this is the server issue of the messenger application. You are not only one, many people facing this problem in messenger application today. You can watch this graph, the red line is at the up, it means many people facing the could not send message problem in Facebook Messenger today. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour. This problem is automatically solved by Facebook Messenger team in some minute or an hour. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.